Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your smartphone holds your personal conversations, banking details, private photos, and even access to your online accounts, which makes your SIM card one of the most valuable targets for hackers and scammers. What many people don't realize is that someone doesn't always need physical access to your phone to spy on you. In some cases, attackers can manipulate your SIM connection itself. If you notice strange activity on your device, your SIM could already be at risk. One of the most common threats today is SIM swap fraud. This happens when someone tricks your mobile carrier into transferring your phone number to a new SIM card under their control. Once this happens, they can receive your calls, messages, and most dangerously, verification codes used for banking or social media logins. Suddenly, accounts connected to your number can be taken over without warning. A major warning sign is losing network signal unexpectedly while others around you still have service. If your phone suddenly shows no service for a long period, especially without reason, it could mean your number has been transferred elsewhere. Another red flag includes receiving messages about SIM activation or carrier changes that you never requested. The first thing you should do is contact your mobile carrier immediately and confirm that no SIM replacement or transfer request has been made. Ask them to enable a SIM PN or account security PN. This simple layer of protection prevents unauthorized SIM swaps because changes cannot be made without the secret code. You should also check for unknown call forwarding settings. Sometimes attackers redirect calls or messages silently. On your iPhone or Android device, reviewing call forwarding options ensures that your communication isn't being rerouted without your knowledge. Another critical step is enabling two-factor authentication using authenticator apps instead of SMS verification whenever possible. SMS codes rely on your SIM card, which means attackers gaining control of your number can bypass security protections. Authenticator apps add a safer layer that cannot be intercepted through SIM attacks. Avoid sharing your phone number publicly on social media or suspicious websites. Many SIM attacks begin with simple personal information gathered online. Scammers combine small details to impersonate you when contacting your carrier. It's also important to regularly monitor your bank alerts, login notifications, and account activity. Early detection can prevent serious financial or identity damage. If you ever suspect unusual activity, immediately lock sensitive accounts and request carrier verification. Your SIM card may seem small, but it acts as the digital key to your identity. Taking a few minutes to secure it today can prevent major problems tomorrow. Stay alert, secure your carrier account, and make sure no one else gains control over the number that connects your entire digital life. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.